Helo, heddi ni mynd I chwarae Mega Man 3 arno y NES. Wel, mae nhw pretty anodd, ond
Fi ddim cael clem.
Mae'n noob, mae beth wedi chwarae un game, ond mae'n pretty decent game mae yn, a pretty anodd, so, oh shoot, literally shoot, vaccine shooter. Hang on,
Fi'n gofod y gist.
So fi ddim even gael abilities am yr un hyn. Fi ddim meddwl anyway. Ac os... Oh yeah, by the way, fi gyda Garen. Fe'n anghofio am... Oh, shoot. Mae nhw yn anodd, wedi dweud. Fi ddim yn gwybod lan. Oh, na.
O, na, na.
Oh!
O, na, na, na. Anto, dwi'n mynd I marw.
Mae yna health fi lan y top, like, top left. Oh, god. Ah! Jeez!
Dwi'n mynd I marw.
Fi ddim yn gallu kill nhw. No, fi ddim.
Na.
Gallu kill
Dwi'n
nhw.
marw.
Alright, fi'n mynd I... Oh, na. Right, tro.
Dwi'n mynd I marw eto.
Fi actually mynd I os dwi'n mynd I carry ymlaen. Oh yeah, by the way, my spikes yn fel instant death, so... Alright. Whoa, mae gael nunchucks, fi'n meddwl. No, mae bomb.
A balloon.
Headshot. Wait, what the heck?
I got multiple
A fi
health.
fynd eto fe... A fi neud o wal, I think. Meddwl. Whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, teleport, okay. Mae probably lan fan yno. Mae remix o original Khan. Dun, dun, dun. Ti ddim even gwybod y Khan.
You go with
Oh,
James.
platforming. Oh! My spikes! Trust me. Need camera demo and troll off.
Okay, so beth yw'r controls?
Oh, mae hynna symud, mae RE neidio, a wedyn mae butty shooter. Oh, let me just make sure. Yeah, butty shooter. Oh, shoot! Literally. Honey. Sorry. Min man. Mae doelo fi'n kind of sweaty, sorry. Dim... Yeah. Ti just need... Ti ddim gallu, like, marw. Os... Fi point o I just dangos e, sorry.
Oh, no!
Just mynd troi at gallu defnyddio invincibility frames. Ooh, right. Ti'n angen, like, gwybod y trefn, like, mae'n mini gap. Stop. Wait, Go, just mynd. Ti'n gallu mynd troi nhw a pan ti'n gael hit, just go, yeah, see. Ti'n getting pretty decent on the first try, ti.
Ah!
Really? Commentating skills team now. Oh! It's not even sharp, probably.
Yeah, fi yn. Fi just trio cwrs.
Yeah, fi fel yna gweithio, yeah.
Mae yna tro cynta.
Bam, 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 badam, bam, 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 bam. Neidio went shoot at the same time. Oh, just mynd try it. Gael hit. No, lar of a hit. Yeah, mynd try. Oh, no!
Mighty!
Fi ddim realise how much health roedd ti am though.
Wel, rwy'n ti'n gael gwrdd yn y corner.
Yeah, fi just didn't really pay attention, actually stupid.
Ie, pan intro.
Shut up.
Gwneud beth o fi gwneud?
Oh, God!
Dwi'n gwneud beth o fi gwneud?
Beth? Shoot o fe.
Ie, gan mynd i'r cornel, fi fe gobl lawr.
Yeah, roi fi yn,
Wedyn.
roi fi ddim realise o'r fi gallu cael hit arno ladder. We just like need little side steps. Right, go, stop. Right, go. Ah, wow.
Ti ddim gallu...
But he got hit anyway. Wait. Oh, Biff.
Oh!
Never even roi ni abilities. No, dim abilities, health.
Oh, come on.
Biff, I didn't even go where
No!
Oh, shoot.
A so, ti ddim gallu neud rhan nhw.
Yeah, fi trying to need you over there.
Ie, ti fod mynd troi nhw.
Not with them.
Ie.
I'm not asking about invincibility frames, right? Oh, man. Right. Oh my god! Okay, go. Mine's so araf. Okay.
Mae'n tro fi nawr, fi dangos ti. Fi gwybod ti.
Oh, yeah, right. Y guy hyn. Yeah, fi hit o fe un gwaith wedyn. Fi angen hit o fe pan mae throw a bomb X, mae'n y weakness e. Ti'n gwybod ti'n hit o fe, cos mae'n gwneud y noise yna?
Ie.
Alright, come on. Mae'n yn easy, no? Oh, right.
Ti'n cael un hit.
Yes!
One hit wonder.
Right, so... Thank God away am hyn. Ac mae nhw'n just shoot up i lan. Team Rocket's blasting off again. Oh my... Rhaid fi'n gwneud so ddo. Rhaid fi'n angen... So mae basically mynd lan, wedyn ti'n aro, game over. Ti da gallu chwarae, hang on. Yeah, continue. Oh no, ti'n gwasgu start. Fi'n decent at platforming, by the way. Neu ti'n just gallu mynd fan'na, wedyn ars am equipo. Yeah, fel yna. Whoa!
Efo trophy gwmpas.
Nice.
Efo trophy gwmpas. Efo ddim bai fi, efo trophy gwmpas.
Yeah,
Efo
clearly.
ddim! Mynd mlaen, hyn.
So, yeah, just now. Now! No, ti'n neidio, gag.
No, ti'n gallu fynd trwy e.
Yeah, dyna pam ti gael hit, though. Ti'n even ankyl o fe.
Mae fi eisiau.
Well. Oh well. Ooh, whoa. Oh, snap.
Pedal!
Snap. Ti gael destroyed. Oh, mae'n dod. Right. Stop. Oh, god.
Mae fi ddim gofod.
Un mwy a ti marw, yep. More, I guess. Mae hyn yn exciting start, alright.
Ond nhw'n gallu cael hara. Whack!
Hammer. Actually,
Yeah, efo Mario.
ti definitely... Wait, no, ti don't. Hang on, wait, next.
Wait.
Wait, yes! Sorry, here we go.
Key!
Rush.
Oh, rush.
Beth we'n even gonna... Oh, yeah, mae someone on Rush, okay.
Hopefully.
Mae'n boring. I mean, my dog, I'm like... Ti'n gallu shoot on now, though. Mae just someone on Rush, and just bounce around the fe. So fi just mynd I gael standard thing fi. Alright, next.
Fi eisiau cael sugar rush.
Regular. Mae'n nhw'n Rush Coil. Mae'n weird dog, ydw. Weird doggy name.
Dyn nhw'n gallu... Yeah. Pwy bydd yn...
Well, mae'n like robot dog, so...
Ie, ond pan bydd ti galw y key ti rush?
Acos mae'n redig gyflym, maybe, I don't know. Ddim cofios beth...
Speedy. Dyna ti galw y speedy os mae'n wedi gyflym.
There we go.
Bibiw.
Right, whoa. Oh, no! Fi'n neud o way too early. Oh my god, totally... Donkey. Really? Mynd lan. A ladder. Huh. Double hit? No, okay. Trio. Fi'n trio. Os fi ddim yn, like, commentator perfectly, fi'n acos fi actually yn, like, trio focus or kill a guy hyn at the same time as fi'n trio commentator. Actually, kind of anodd fi gwneud y ddau things yna. Ond pam ti gael used to, oh my god. Pam ti'n used to, yeah. Mae'n a bit house. Oh my god. Oh my jeez.
Cheese!
Yes!
Yeah!
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese wedi dweud.
Wedi dweud cheese.
Oh well. Cheese. Cheesy cheese.
Cheesy bees.
Oh man, right, go.
Cheesy
Mid.
bees.
Oh.
Oh no.
Ah, no! No!
No, ti'n dweud e.
I know, mae hyn yn un ola. Wait, mae'n health lan fan'na, sef fi'n mynd lan fan'na. Fi ddim yn gwybod sef fi'n mynd lan fan'na, though, mae'n health. Please tell me fi gallu mod jump, no, mi ddim.
Sut ti'n siofe?
I don't even know. Gael a penne. Neu mae'n fel Mario. Probably ddim fel Mario. Oh, wait, fi kill fe somehow. Fi ddim yn gwybod sut roi fi gwneud hwnna. Oh, okay. Oh, no! Fi ddim yn gallu health. I don't know. Wait, hold up. Oh, yeah, fi gallu defnyddio rush.
Yeah.
Right, that makes sense. I'm gonna make her somewhere.
Soon.
RC rush Kyle. There we go. Wait, what?
Oh.
Oh, rush! Oh. Rush on Mount Rush. Rush! Stupid dog. Naughty dog. Sit down. Sorry.
Down, doggy, down.
Oh my god, it's terrible. Alright.
Panty bang or panty?
Jesus.
Cheese.
Yay!
Yay.
Yeah, I've got my health. Alright, good. I'm in no regular Mega Man.
What is mega?
Vino. Oh, diolch, ti wedi rhoi bad microphone effects.
my feet.
What if a kick on microphone?
Where are we then?
Yeah.
never
Sorry,
been
I'm
siarad.
hwnna. Sorry am hwnna.
Ie, na,
That's from me just deaf not. Which, mae'n y fault there, by the way. Rhaid ti meddwl fi'n mynd I marw wedyn, rhaid ti. Fi'n meddwl mae boss yn dod ar ôl hyn, neud ni close.
Wel, ti yn boss o fe nawr.
Funny.
No, mae'n
Ie, mae yn.
glitch mewn.
Oh my... Jeez. Oh wait, ti'n gallu attack o'r enw.
Oh, my cheese.
Go! Ah, no!
Ano.
Mae'n yn anodd, no, alright. Oh wait, yeah. Okay. Duh! Oh my god. Fi ddim mynd I kill o'r boss first try fi, acos fi'n mynd
Efo Mario.
Oh ie, fi'n hoffi mae gen I slide yma rhywun hyn. Mae'n original...
O, yei!
Man, alright. Fi'n ôl.
Ie, rhaid rage critter.
Yeah, rage
Critter?
Critter. Tongue twister. Jump. Need your jump.
Jump neidio. Sut ti slide o te?
Gwasgu down a wedyn B. Hang on. Not sure. Sorry.
Electric shock.
Wait, oh no, mae'n A, dim B. Sorry. So just, no, slide up pan ti'n boes fanna. Right, go. Yeah. So os ti wonder pan fi like pointer over a place, ac mae teledu yn actually fanna, so fi'n pointer ble mae'n angen mynd. Oh my god.
Penol.
Right, jeez.
O, ia. Hynna ban.
See what he what? Oh no. Just symud nôl.
Ie.
Ti whack on microphone twice now.
Fi symud I ffwrdd.
Mae pobl just like video ni now. Alright, let's try rhywbeth arall so ni ddim boro ti de. Snake Man fi'n meddwl hynny.
Ie, rwy'n dweud Snake Man.
Snake Man.
I'm a snake.
Mae'n edrych a bit fel lizards mwy na snake.
Lizard Man. Lizardman.
Oh, good music.
Mae Basilisk.
Oh god.
Mae Harry Potter. Edrych, mae Harry Potter.
Oh my god, mae pipes in a face a body here. Oh my god. Alright.
Mae siwt yn ôl.
Alright, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my go away. Oh my god. Oh wait, fi wedi cael health yn meddwl. Oh my god.
No.
Antonio.
Ti'n mynd I marw.
Idiot. Antonio! Douchebag.
Ti'n mynd I marw oherwydd pipes.
Oh, ti'n chwerthin nawr, ti'n probably yn mynd I cocky first try now. Oh. Oh! Roedd fi trio mynd lawr a void o fe. Alright, okay.
Ti'n marw fanna, obviously.
Dab, sorry. Free dab. Alright. Oh, nice health. Perfect. Ti'n like hit of a nature gwaith. Oh, well done, girl.
Yn neud o gompos.
Oh yeah, 1 up, nice.
One up. One up.
Oh, mae'n gwneud decent. Pam ti'n gwneud work na fi? What the heck? Right. Oh, ooh. Oh yeah, ti'n gallu gwneud yna, ac mae angen reload o'r thing. So, yeah, dim, ga. Roi fi Amelia. Alright, go on. Ga, just shoot nhw now. Shoot nhw now. Go. Come on, Ga, please. Please gwneud hyn, Ga. Garrett, please gwneud hyn. Ti gael hyn. Ti actually yn gael hyn, no. Lucky. Oh!
Oh!
Oh my god. Mae nhw symud hefyd. So ti'n gwneud yna? Hang on.
Fi ddim gofod sut.
Rage quit.
Boom!
Taflu controller lawr.
Boom! Fi
Oh
angen
no. Oh, nice.
Oh, Dukes! Duke of
Oh god,
Edinburgh!
mae do'n nôl. Ah!
Duke
Oh,
of
go
Edinburgh!
away. Mini.
Oh!
Yeah.
Stop yourself.
Oh, my tree gwaith, okay.
1 up.
1 up. Well, 2 up. 2 up, actually only count I 1 ups. There, headshot. Mine just down try covering it from the background. Oh man, alright. Just min try now. Oh my god, I'm gone. I'm out.
Oh, no, it's really Mario.
Love it, I'm just moving the lane. Oh my freaking Jesus. Midland, please. Blin! Ah. Oh my god,
Sut
we
ti actually gwneud e?
I have no. Oh! We're fi on hit.
No!
Pan mae shoot o nhw, mynd mewn y cig.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
Riot.
Right, ni'n mynd I trio level arall ar ôl hyn. So ni
Yeah.
ddim yn just gwneud yr un level trwy amser. So ni ddim yn... Make o ti'n just yn sick o'r same course level. Level course. Dun, 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 dun. Mae'n gael y game face iawn am efo. Game face. So mae'n meddwl ti angen aros eiliad cyn, aros eiliad a wedyn ar ôl maen nhw shoot nhw wedyn.
Ond dwi ddim cael tree up wedyn.
Mynd lan, gwasgu up yn pad. D-pad, dim circle pad. Circle pad yn y thing. Alright, pan mae agor cig, go, shoot. Ti'n gwybod ti shoot o vex, mae'n gwneud y sound effect fel hwnna. Pan mae'n mynd, Right. Now!
Mae fe ddim
Let
beidio!
me try.
Ie, ti'n trio.
Alright, maybe mae hyn ddim yn gweithio.
Na, fi gweld fel,
Yes.
deck.
Mae'n like snipe o ti, mae'n gwybod... Oh! A snap. Oh wait, double hit. Fi kill fe. Fi ddim even angen aros am y kit. Hang on.
Hanna cyfri trofi.
Just in case. Okay. Os ni'n gael game over, ni'n mynd I change your level.
Luke of Edinburgh.
Whoa! Freaking Dyna beth
Yw'n Luke of Edinburgh.
Oh.
Dim freaking
Alright, stop.
Beth yw hwn?
Di ddim angen hwnna.
O, wel, mae fi trio cael e.
Oh, mae hyn yn fun. CJ. Dyna beth wedi sound o fel. Oh no.
Come on, baby boys.
Right. My parkour skills are easy agos mae ddim yn actually on the platforms. Stop! Right, shoot off, ti ddim angen aros am y cig. Wel, ti gallu. Ti gallu ddyn nhw'n nhw am advantage ti. Like os pan maen nhw'n mynd lan, like bounce o lan. No, platforms, Pan maen nhw bounce o lan, neidio. Dyma ti, go. Oh, God. I know, but like, destroy it. Oh, yes. Oh, no!
Oh, it's got hit.
Just another invincibility frames on an advantage team. Hold up! Wait! Wait!
Oh!
Wait!
Dumb.
No, mae hyn yn actually smart. Ni ddim yn dod. Oh no! Mae'n mynd o dan! Shoot! Okay, mae'n yn stupid.
Dem dog.
Tro.
Fi fe'n respawn o!
Fi gwybod, I'm like... Ah! No!
No, ti'n mynd I marw!
Oh well. Next. Oh no!
Di cael PP.
Oh my
Dim
god!
PP! Let's go to the PP!
PP. Sorry.
Oh!
Ni fel kids, even though ni'n edrych fel, I don't know, 16. Ni ddim actually 16, by the way. 13.
O bech ffordd. Wel, actually, ni agos.
No. Alright.
Ie ni.
Ti'n gallu gwasgu Mega Man. Alright, diolch am gwylio y fideo. Leave a like, commento a subscribe os ti'n newydd. Mae'n really helpo y channel out a ton. A ni'n gwybod... Oh god, fi'n probably drop y controller. Ni'n gwybod ti'n interested mewn fideos, so gael unrhyw beth i dweud, sorry.
Troi nôl o'i fflos nesaf, Becky.
Alright, diolch guys.
Diolch.